morning, student. Today we will discuss the word problem based on maxima and minima. This is the application problem, practical problem. In this question, it has given that we have to prove rectangle. One rectangle is given, and we have to prove that its parameter is maximum. Means we have to make a function of parameter of rectangle, and we have to maximize that part, which can be inscribed in a circle, means which is inside the circle and whose radius is already given a. A is the radius of a circle, and we have to prove also that it is a square. Basically, it is a square and whose side is a root 2. Means in in a in the beginning we have to take it is a rectangle, and later on we have to prove that it is a square having a side a root 2. And secondly, we have to maximize the parameter. Okay, so students, see, this is the real picture. This is the square, this circle, and this is the rectangle ABCD. Length is L, breadth is B, and this is the circle diameter. It is A plus A. It is 2A is the diameter of this. So this is a right angle triangle. This LB and this distance AC is 2A. So applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, so we are going to get L square plus B square plus AC square, and it will give L square plus B square plus 2A square, and definitely it is 4A square. Now, because we have to convert this complete question in one variable, so I have assumed that let breadth is x. So therefore L square plus x square is equal to 4A square. And finally L has come under root of 4A square minus x square in terms of x. Means L has come in terms of x. B is already in terms of x. Now what we have to do, we have to maximize the parameter. So we should write the parameter of a rectangle, and you know parameter of rectangle is 2 times of L plus B. So the value of L I substituted, it is under root of 4A square minus x square. We have just calculated it. Look at here. And x, the value of B is x. So here also I will substitute the value of x in place of B. I will write x. Now we should differentiate. The first step is to make a function, and we have made a function here. Means function in terms of one variable, and which function to whom we want to maximize or minimize. Here we want to maximize the parameter this parameter function. Therefore this function I have written in terms of one variable. Now differentiating with respect to x, so it is half of under root of 4A square minus x square multiplied by minus 2x, applying the chain rule over here. And differentiation of x, of course it is 1. Now differentiation, whatever we have differentiated, it must be equal to 0. So from here we will get the value of x. So by cross multiplication and all, and then squaring both sides, I've done it over here. So we got it. 4A square minus x square is equal to x square. It has become 2x square is equal to 4A square. This 4 is cancelled out by this 2. So x is under root of 2A square. This a square will come outside this root, so it will be a root 2. So the value of x we have calculated, it is a root 2. So we can say breadth is a root 2. Now length was under root of 4A square minus 2A x. So 4A square minus x. What is the value of x? X, it is 2A square, x square. Basically, you see, what was L? L I have calculated here 4A square minus x square. And x, what I calculated? X I calculated, it is this a root 2. So a root 2 square is 2A square. So it is 4A square minus 2A square is 2A square. Again it has come a root 2. So breadth is a root 2. Length is also a root 2. So you can say length and breadth both are equal. So hence we can say it has proved that it is a square. Okay. Now what we have to prove that, we have to prove that its parameter is maximum. Means one thing we have proved that it is a square, and its side is a root 2 side, because L is also a root 2, length is also a root 2, so we can say L equal to B equal to a root 2. We have proved. So square we have proved. Now we have to prove that its parameter is maximum. So we have to differentiate. What we have to differentiate? We have to differentiate this first derivative, where we have here you see it is px. Here I differentiated. So again one more time I have to differentiate it. Then I will substitute the value of x. If this value is coming negative, means less than 0, so I can say it is maximum parameter. So let us do this part. So look at here, it is p dash x is 2 times 1 upon 2. This 2 has cancelled out, so this portion we have. So I have copied this portion over here, and again I differentiated it. So by differentiation of 1 is 0, and this portion has to be solved by the help of quotient rule, which I applied here. After completion of this quotient rule, I substituted the value of x is a root 2. So it will be 2a square here. It will be 2 into 2a square upon 2 into under root of 4a square minus 2a square. So basically you see the negative sign is in front of this portion. So this complete value is basically negative. So you can say p double dash a root 2 is coming negative portion. It is the less than 0. So we have proved that it is a maximum parameter for this question. So we have proved both the parts. First, what we proved that it is a square having side a root 2, and secondly we have proved that the parameter is maximum. So this is the right way to solve this question. Look at once more. The question was given like this. It was a rectangle ABCD. Circle was there. It was inscribed inside the circle. So length is L is the length of rectangle, B is the breadth of rectangle. So this is a right angle triangle. So I applied the Pythagoras theorem, L square plus B square equal to AC square. So the value of AC is 2A. So it has come L square plus B square equal to 2A square. Here for one variable I have assumed that let breadth is x. So L square plus x square is equal to 4A square. So the value of L has come in terms of x, under root of 4A square minus x square. So B is in terms of x, L is also in terms of x, means both are in terms of x in same variable. Now we have to maximize the parameter. What is parameter? Parameter is 2 times L plus B. So 2 times under root of 4A square minus x square plus x, because the value of L is this, breadth is this. I differentiated both sides. Here I applied the chain rule. So I got this portion half of under root of 4A square minus x square multiplied by minus 2x, and differentiation of x is 1. So 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore this portion, this inside the bracket portion is equal to 0. This will give the value of x, because by squaring both sides and all, it will give the value of x. The value of x square is coming to a square, but the value of x is a root 2. So B we can say a root 2. Length is under root of 4a square minus x square. So value of x square is already 2a square. So it has also come a root 2. So we can say length and breadth both are equal. Hence it has been proved that it is a square. So it is the first part of this question. Now in second part we have to prove that it is the parameter is maximum. So for maximization what we have to do, we have to double differentiate it. This is the first order derivative. Now second order derivative means second time differentiation. If we will do it, we are getting this portion through the chain this quotient rule. But look at here, minus sign is in front of it. I substituted the value of x is 2a square, x square is 2a square, and in place of x a root 2. Okay, x and x, it is x square. So therefore 2a square I have written here. So you see the negative sign is in front of it, means this complete double differentiation is negative. So you can say p double dash a root 2 is less than 0. Hence maximum parameter is there. So we have proved both the things, maximum parameter and the square of this portion. So this is the right way to solve such type of practical problems. So students, this type of question can come for 6 marks in the board examination, and it is a confirmed question from maximum minima. You have to practice a lot for this practical part, but the trick is like this only, the way is like this only. Thank you very much.